Hello guys, mabuhay, and for today's video, ayan, nandito po tayo sa tindahan ni Kumaring Grace and Daya. Ayan po, ayan. Oh, say hi, shout out.
Welcome to my store.
So guys, bago po natin siya pa-orderin, mag-ano daw muna for today's video. Vlogging muna dahil ang mundo ng world. Okay, bye. May tiwala siya guys, takot ma-scam.
Legit ba yan?
Legit po ito ma'am, wala pong collection na kwarta.
Tapos,
Okay na guys, tapos na po siya mag-order. So thank you so much ma'am.
thank you so much. Pure gold.
Book now, deliver tomorrow.